Hi guys, it's August and block of the month this month is a little brick block. That's what I'm calling it. I don't know what else to call it because it looks like a little brick layout. So what you're going to need for this is 3 2.5-inch squares, and then you're also going to want 3 4.5 by 2.5 inch pieces of fabric. So you're going to need 3 of those. Okay, this is so simple to put together. So we're going to take one of our 2.5-inch squares and one of our rectangles, and we're just going to sew those 2 pieces together. And ta-da! So easy, okay? We're going to do that with the rest of these. It's going to be super quick. And then I'm going to press them all down, and then we'll sew them into rows. Okay, so I've pressed these all down so they look great. Now I'm just going to take them right sides together, and you can see I'm doing opposites, and I'm going to sew just right along that edge. I like this block because you could make it really look patchworky. I'm using the same fabrics, but you could make it really funky and cool. Okay, we're finished. How simple was that? Look how cute that block is. Really fun and darling. Make sure and comment below. Let me know how you're doing or what fabric you're using for your quilt this year, and I will see you next month.